Wow. It's tasty. My dentist will love this. It worked out for my jaw. This is the one. Yeah, I no need to worry about dentist. Crispy, tasty, and crunchy. Whoa, must try.
This is why it's so important to roll the dough paper thin. Trust me, your teeth will thank you. Let's get into the recipe. So why am I all about this 1 cup recipe? Well, Francis and I aren't as young as we used to be. And honestly, we can't eat as much as before. So making smaller batches is perfect for us. It's just the right amount to enjoy without wasting food. Plus, it helps us try out new things without the temptation of having too many leftovers lying around. I know it might seem daunting at first. 12 ingredients might sound like a lot, right? Not everyone has onion powder hanging around in their kitchen, and I get that. But trust me, again, if you give this recipe a shot, you won't be disappointed. The flavor is incredible. These crackers are full of taste and so satisfying. You'll be glad you made the effort. Now it's time to mix it all up. I start by using a spatula to blend the coconut oil and vinegar into the dry ingredients. When it starts to look crumbly, I switch to using my hand to bring it all together. You want the mixture to look like crumbs, and then I add cold water, just a little bit at a time. It took me 5 tablespoons to get the dough to come together. You want it to be cohesive but not sticky. Here's a little trick. I use a folded piece of baking paper to roll out the dough. I don't bother reshaping it into perfect squares or circles because they can make the crackers tough. Odd shapes are fine. They'll still taste amazing. The key is to roll the dough as thin as possible, almost paper thin. What you see here isn't thin enough. So take note, paper thin is the way to go for these crackers. Once the dough's rolled out, I use a plastic cake scraper to cut it into rectangles. You can already see all the flavors in the crackers, but unfortunately, it's not thin enough. For extra flavor, I sprinkle sesame seeds on top and press them in. For the second batch, I added chia seeds. Just a quick tip, mixing the seeds into the dough might work better than sprinkling them on top, as they don't always stick. Otherwise, you'll end up doing a kimikaze and pop the whole crackers in your mouth to keep the seeds from falling off. Now pop this into the oven at 150°C for about 30 minutes. The smell while they're baking is absolutely amazing. I kept them in a little longer to make sure they come out nice and crispy.
Subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.